Military Occupational Specialty, Combat Documentation Production Specialist. As the eyes and ears of the commander on the battlefield, soldiers in this MOS provide feedback for combat decisions to help units succeed in their missions. Because information is sensitive, you must qualify for a secret clearance in this MOS. Then the Army will train you in electronic news gathering to document combat action using a video camera. You'll also train to use digital still photography equipment in both studio and combat environments, and train in basic lighting and camera composition techniques for both still and video cameras. In addition, you'll be taught television studio operations, basic directing skills, and the editing of video and audio tapes. Training will also include the use of cameras, lenses, and light meters, as well as the up and downloading of digital images instantaneously in battle. In addition, you'll train in still photography and in the automated processing and printing of images acquired. You will also train in photographic composition, investigative photography, and portraiture, plus the proper maintenance of your equipment. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work supporting Army operations in the field day or night, where you may be assigned to a TV production facility, a photo processing laboratory, or be required to travel to the front lines with a combat unit to provide audio, video, or still photography documentation of Army action. You may also operate video equipment in a combat situation and transmit the signal live from the field or a fixed studio, or play a finished video of events in a delayed broadcast. In the field, you may produce digital images and transmit them via satellite to locations anywhere in the world. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector. So, if you want to be the eyes and ears of your battlefield commander, then be a military occupational specialty, combat documentation production specialist.